Uh, yeah, 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 hey, yo, come on, yo, come on, yo, come on, hey, rip on the mic and I rock it, sipping right out of the goblet. They say, Mac, we understanding you, solving mysteries like Nancy Drew. Come off the tip of this, y'all know they calling me funky, fresh individual. When it be coming to lyrics, all my rhymes are harder than motherfucking minerals. Yeah, plugging and rocking, ayy, I'm sipping out of the goblet, ayy. They say, Mac, we understanding you, solving mysteries, Nancy Drew. Ayy, come off the top and they call me the funkiest rhyme individual. When it be coming to rhymes off the top, all my lyrics are harder than minerals. Come on, y'all can't really stop it. I be sipping liquor all about the goblet, and you know that I'm really about to come with the rhyme smash. I might even sip it out the wine glass. Come on, you know that I'm about to lift them higher. Call me Harry Potter, this the goblet of fire. Mac all up in it and I'm moving with the tactics. When it comes to rhyming, man, I'm really working magic. Come on, you know I don't plan the poems. Digging for the goblet, Indiana Jones. Coming after mine in the Temple of Doom. Every time I'm rhyming, man, I'm filling up the room like perfume with the bone. When I'm blowing out the smoke, when it comes to improvising, dog, I never been a joke. Sipping out the goblet, you know we getting twisted. All up in the rhyme and you know that I'm enlisted. Yeah, sipping it fast, you know that I smash. We getting the paper and cash. Every rhyme that I'm kicking is nasty. I go to the session and leave with the stack. Ayy, Mac all up in it and they wondering. Ayy, shout out to the homie who be drumming. Ayy, I'm about to leave them all shook. End of verse 1, I'ma bring out the hook. Ayy, plug in the mic and I rock it. Ayy, I'm about to sip out the goblet. They say, yeah, Mac, we understanding you. I'm solving mysteries, feeling like Nancy Drew. Ooh, come up the top when I'm spitting the funkiest rhyme individual. Ayy, all of these rhymes that I kick off the top, they be harder than minerals. Put words together so exquisitely. Nancy Drew, I'ma solve the mystery. Yeah, they be blind, I'm the rapper that you can't see. Rolling with my queen and I think her name is Nancy. Yeah, she be looking fine, she a dime. I be improvising live when I'm kicking all the rhymes. I be getting down with my man who be doing covers. Nancy Drew, she my fly ass lover. Ayy, Mac rolling through, leave you shook. My girl so fine, she could probably write a book. My girl so fine, they could probably write about her. Every time I'm rolling out with her, I feel prouder. Shouts out to Nancy, shouts out to Drew. I be representing live, coming through with my crew. When I'm spreading like the flu, man, I'm way too fucking contagious. With bars that's outrageous. Ayy, plugging and rocking. Look, I'm about to sip out the goblet. Ayy, they say, Mac, we understanding you, solving the mystery, Nancy Drew. Ayy, when it be coming to rhyming, I be the funkiest individual. Ayy, when it be coming to rhymes off the top, I be harder than minerals. Listen, you know that my lyrics sound fatal. Minerals, kinda like the periodic table. Yeah, you know I'm about to do it non-stop. I be like a mineral, cause that's the way I rock. Harry Mac, I'm about to hit them with the verse. I disperse, I'm rehearsed through the universe. I know they about to dig deep in the earth just to find me. Mac, I be staying on the rhyme spree, kinda like mineral, you know that I be shiny. Every time I'm on it, man, I'm like, what's up, God? We really about to lock in. They ain't got no option. When the beat dropping, I'ma keep it going acapella when I chop a fella into little bits. Harry Mac, when I come right off the top with the spit, getting down with my man, I'm the world's 8th wonder. I got rhythm when I'm rhyming, kinda like a drummer. What?